Step 1. Unlock. Press and hold set for 2 seconds. Symbols on the screen disappear. Unlocking complete. Step 2. Set startup temperature. Press set once. Display shows CO1. Press set again. Current startup temperature shows. Use up and down to adjust. Press set to confirm. Step 3. Set shutdown temperature. When it shows CO1, press up once. Display shows CO2. Press set again. Current shutdown temperature shows. Use up and down to adjust. Press set to confirm. Then click the rightmost button exit.